Now, for t-test for dependent samples, again, we assume that the data is normally distributed. So the dependent variable should be measured at the interval or ratio level, and the sample size must be adequate, at least 30 cases per group. The independent variable consists of two categorical related groups or matched pairs. There should be no significant outliers, and the distribution of differences in the dependent variable between two related groups should be approximately normally distributed. Okay, so these are the assumptions. So for example problem, listed here are the pre-test and post-test scores of teenagers in the subdivision for waste segregation and management intervention. At 0.05 level of significance, can it be concluded that the reading pamphlets on waste management help improve the awareness of teenagers? Okay, so this is now our pre-test and post-test scores with the pre-test before reading the pamphlet and the post-test after reading the pamphlet. So in your SPSS, just another row here, so it's not actually suggested to do that, but since this is a demonstration, you can just have pre-test, pre-test scores, or pre-test, and then you have your post-test, post-test scores. And again, you can just have 0, 0, and then this is interval, and this is also interval. Okay, then you go to your data view. You have the pre-test and post-test there. And then we go back to our Excel file. And then just copy the scores here. And there are 60 respondents, so that's adequate enough for your need, that is at least 30. Okay, here. And then for the dependent t-test, you go to Analyze, Compare Means, then you have the paired samples t-test. So just click here, and then you have the pre-test as your variable 1 and the post-test as your variable 2. And then for your options, you check if it's 0.05 level of significance, and then you click Continue, and then click OK. Okay, so this is now the pre-test scores, which is 15 and for the pre-test and 18 for the post-test. Okay, then you have your answer here for your paired samples t-test, which is less than 0.001. Okay, so there is significant difference between the pre-test and the post-test score, as well as a correlation between the two. Okay, so there is significant difference. So just copy this one, because this is the result that you're looking for. And then for interpretation, 0.001. So there is significant difference between the pre-test and the post-test score. Okay, so there's improvement in the awareness of teenagers after reading the pamphlet.